a possible couch. Possible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're getting a possible couch, possible table, bar stool. That's it? That's it? Going to IKEA. Yeah.
Entrance.
Entrance.
The Swedish word for enter.
Yay! We're going straight in? Okay. Let's go. Hello. Mine is too. I got it. So they change. Do they change these around?
Yeah.
This is so cute right here. I like the little lanterns. Look at this room, dude. It's so nice in here. Alright, we just got home. We just got home. My office. The kids' room. We're in the room. So cute. I love these displays. The living room, the entrance right there. And then the main room. Wow, look how pretty this color. I love it. Closet. This bed looks so comfy. Dream. This one right here. This is it. The dining room to kitchen to living room. Oh yeah. And then this is a fridge. Bro, like, so nice, so pretty in here.
I know, I feel like it'd be like,
A little hot.
Yeah, that's agreeable.
these kitchens are crazy. This is like,
It's so pretty in here. I wish my house looked like this. This is cute.
It's that big and
Kitchen, couch, there's a bathroom, laundry, bedroom, patio. Bruh.
only $27,000 a month.
Let me move into IKEA real quick. I'll send you.
that's like, I was gonna say that's a new
It's so pretty in here. Okay, I forgot to record, but oh, you fixed it.
Just this.
Is that what I think it is?
Yeah, it's, yeah. Someone will see it and be like, ah.
This is the perfect.
This desk is really nice. Dude, I love this to hold. I have a ring light, but this one's really nice. Oh, look, it holds your phone. Here. But you can't see it here. Holds your phone.
Even like this would be an improvement over what I have.
Yeah, I want a new chair as well. I like this one right
The fake
here.
gaming chair.
Yeah, these
I like-
are still.
I like that one. Wait, this one? Oh, I said I like that one. That's cute.
What is this? Oh, those footrest?
No, that's for your back.
That's for your foot.
Oh, I thought it was for your
Oh man.
back. Sorry. I want
I want the world. I want
He sings that every time. It's so rude, actually. Look at this little. Oh wait, this is the one pepper that your brother had, right?
Yeah.
I love this one though. I got to use it for a little bit. It was so nice. I do have another monitor, so it wouldn't work now. But I love this lamp right here. How much? 40. Oh my gosh, this one's so nice. That is not bad actually.
Well, it's big enough too.
Yeah, for real. That you wouldn't really need this, honestly. But it's helpful.
Mine freaking
Oh shit. We got the aesthetic.
This is a cute dorm room. I want this right here.
This is I
Actually-
majored in psychology room.
I have these. We have
So you
these
want
lights.
anything? Yes, we have those.
We have these lights. I can set it up like that. I want. So we are now in the bedroom area. We're getting pillows. We're getting
I'm
pillows.
gonna take a picture of this one.
Okay. We're going to take a picture. Yeah, we're getting these pillows. They're really nice.
Just wait till the intercom.
Alright, so
I could get it.
how is the IKEA experience?
Pretty deep. Pretty deep.
Oh, you got the interview mic?
Yes.
Yo, this place is sick. Cool. Got a
Awesome,
meatball
awesome.
inside.
We're trying to get the meatballs now. At this
that was
point.
like the Dexter
We can
stuff.
still go over here though. We can still go. I forgot to transfer. Oh, wait, what did you do? Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna show it in the vlog. What are you doing? I'm gonna have to delete this whole clip. He did like.
Man, we can see this could fit my big fat ass.
Oh, okay.
That's cool.
This could fit my big old fat ass. Alright. Hello. That's a nice closet.
Someone wrote it.
Bro, that's so funny. We found the Death Note in IKEA.
Who's playing the light up pencil?
Sorry. This is a cute
Oh yeah,
mirror.
these are just the little cheese pretty.
I like the color, the checkerboard.
Imagine having a room
skateboard.
like this as a kid though. You got like your own couch or
I want this bed. This setup. This setup. Alright guys, so we got the Swedish balls, the mashed potatoes and the mac and cheese, and we got a little butterscotch cake.
Feel bad for him.
Cheers.
Do not poop on us. If any.
That's what she meant when she said it was wrong.
He's just looking for an opening.
How do you get
That's what I'm wondering.
There's a bird stuck in the IKEA. They're trying to grab it.
Unless he got in through like a vent or something. That is strange.